I'm Coach Jeff King with the North Delta Dealers of the Cotton States Baseball League, and this is my 9th year of coaching in this league. Played high school baseball at Nettleton for several years, and then I played college baseball at Etowah Community College. Then I got into coaching, which I've loved doing for the last 35 years. I was 21 when I started coaching some summer league stuff, and then I coached high school, done some junior college coaching, and also coached some in the minor leagues. I was a scout and a minor league instructor for 3 seasons down at Pearl at Trustmark Field. So at AA, I got to coach Ronald Acuna Jr., who's one of the rising stars in baseball, and Dansby Swanson, the starting shortstop with the Atlanta Braves. I like the recruiting aspect of it, just getting new players in every summer, meeting them and getting them to grow as a baseball player. Well, I grew up idolizing Dale Murphy with the Braves. He played it the right way, hard every day, and I just tried to symbolize him as a player, and as a coach, demand that out of my players.
I'm Coach Brandon Montgomery.
I'm Coach Andy Dillard.
I'm Coach Greg Bates.
This is Coach Jeff King.
And you're watching Cotton States Baseball on
Max House Sports. Last summer we had a great team. We finished the regular season 15-3. Went into the playoffs, won our first game, and got beat in the bottom of the 7th in our semifinal game. So overall it was a good season. I would have liked to won the league like we have in the past, but got beat by a hot team in the playoffs. But we had a great summer. Pandemic hurt a little bit by getting the quality of players I normally get, but we had a good team. We just lacked in an area or two that kind of cost us in the playoffs. This season, summer in the Cotton States League, we had a lot of challenges and injuries. I had 3 guys get injured in the same game, and all 3 of them were in the emergency room at the same time after a Friday night game. So we've had to overcome that by using different players in different positions, and it's turned out to be a team strength dealing with those injuries, but it's been a great challenge to make it mesh this summer compared to others. Other summers I go through a whole summer without any injuries and finish with the same 15 guys I started with. This year I've had to add a couple and lost those 3, and then I had another one that moved off to another league at the last weekend, so we've had to replace, and it's been a great challenge this summer for sure. One was a great pitcher of mine. He got hit on the shin with a line drive and broke his foot. Then I had a center fielder dive for a ball the next inning and broke his collarbone. And then the next inning I had a guy dive in at home and break 2 fingers. In the same game, all 3 of them, they're out for the rest of the summer. That was 2 weeks ago, so we've had to adapt, but it was a trying game. We won that game, but it was a very trying game when you know you lost 3 really good players in the span of about an hour. This summer, our best attributes is pitching. We've had really good pitching, played really good defense. Our hitting has been below average, but we're able to win 16 games this summer just because of pitching and defense. This is Coach Jeff King with the North Delta Dealers of the Cotton States Baseball League, and you're watching Max House Sports. Look, when I first recruited this team and started the season, I thought we'd be a little thin in the hitting department, and we have been a little bit thin there. But our pitching, like I said earlier, has been our strength, and I thought it would carry our team to some wins. I really didn't know if we'd be 15 wins right now. We've turned it on here lately. Our mid-season, we kind of struggled a little bit. We were good early, struggled in the middle, and we've won 4 or 5 here lately. So, but outlook has been about right, like I looked at it at the start of the year. I'm hoping we turn it on a little bit tomorrow and then next weekend in the playoffs. But I can usually tell going in, doing this for so long, what kind of team I have. Top player is Ian Biblioni. He's the starting left fielder for the University of Memphis. This is his 5th summer to play for me. Due to COVID, he got some extra years, and he's been with me this 5th summer. He's been my best player every summer. He had a car accident a couple weeks ago and he's missed some games, but he's been by far my best player. He's a really good hitter and defender. I also have a catcher named Connor Gardner, who's at Etowah Community College, who's been with me. This is his 3rd summer. He has really developed as a great catcher. He'll be an SEC catcher in the future. Been very thankful to have him. He calls all the pitches takes a lot off me personally. So he has really developed at the plate and behind the plate with his blocking and throwing out of runners. Been really pleased with him. Alex Freelman, a third baseman who recently signed with Blue Mountain College right up the road here from New Albany. He has been with me for 3 summers. He's a great hitter. His really came on this summer and hit very well. Also have Drew Capibianco, a shortstop from Etowamba Community College, has really played well this summer. He has improved in every area. Defense, running, hitting, he has really developed. And that's what our goal is in this league, is to develop these college players and get them more reps, get them better for their schools. I want to send them back to their colleges better than what they come to me. And I can say every one of our players has done that this summer, and usually every summer. So I'm grateful to be able to help these college coaches, and that's what we do. We help these college coaches out.
I'm Coach Brandon Montgomery,
I'm Coach Andy Dillard.
I'm Coach Greg Bates.
This is Coach Jeff King.
and you're watching Cotton States Baseball on
Matt Cloud Sports.
My rivals is the Tippah County Tribe and Coach Greg Bates. We've been headbutting for 9 summers now, and it usually comes down to one of us two, either in the semifinals or the finals. I've put him out some summers and he's put us out some summers. He does a great job and he's thorough like I am, and we get the same type players, and we usually right there at the end dealing with each other. I mean, he's a great friend of mine off the field. We enjoy the competition. We get to brag for a whole fall and winter, the one that wins. So we make it a lot of fun, and I enjoy coaching against him and against his team because I know they're well coached. Also, the Tallahatchie Rascals, Coach Andy Dillard, they've always in the hunt, and I've enjoyed playing against them. They're always in the Final Four usually. It's amazing, these young coaches come in and think they're going to rule the roost, and it's usually these older coaches who's been in a while that comes through at the end, because we've been in it so much, and we usually have better players because we know what to expect where they kind of don't in this league. But you know, rivals, we all kind of rivals. I mean, we play each other 3 times a summer, and we're good friends, all of us. It's a great league to be with. We're playing against your friends every day, and I really enjoyed having them as my rivals because it's a lot of fun. You know, a lot of guys in this area has been doing it, like I said, 3, 4, and 5 summers. They come back every summer to get that experience. That's when you know you have a good product, like we do here when they keep coming back and playing. And we get them from all over the country. We got a kid from Montana playing in the league this summer. So it's been a very rewarding experience for most baseball players that come to our league. My goal for each season here in the Cotton States League is for these guys to get a rewarding experience and have a good time. Yes, we want to win it, but it's just so much fun watching these guys develop friendships with guys from all over the United States. I've had them from New York to California to Illinois, and they all get along, they all become friends, they all have fun, and it's so rewarding to see that. I mean, I got them spending a night with one another in hotels. I mean, that's amazing to me that they bonded in such a small period of time. I mean, they keep up to date with each other to this day, the ones in the past years, and I really enjoy that. I want them to have fun. This is not as stressful as college baseball, and I don't want to make it that way. And they know we can have fun and win. We've done it for many years. So I want them to have fun first, win, and have develop friendships and relationships. And that's what we try to do with the Dealers team. We pray after every game. We stay close. I text them after they do good in our college teams. I mean, we stay connected. I mean, I got kids I've coached 9 summers ago that I text just about every day. So it's a very rewarding experience to be able to coach in this league.